Good morning everyone. This is Pinky Yadav from Suraj School Mehendragarh. And students, in our class, this is topic. Topic subject verb concurred is going on, and today also we will continue this topic. We have already discussed this topic in one or two video lectures, but today also we will continue this topic. Subject verb concurred. In this topic we have to follow some rules, and in the main rule is verb always follow the subject in number and person. Whether the subject is singular, verb will be singular, and if the subject is plural, verb must be in plural. Next rule says if two different subjects are joined by as well as together with along with besides no less than in addition to as well as along with together with besides no less than in addition to and not except etc. If two different subjects are joined by one of these words, verb will be according to first subject. In last rule I taught you, if two different subjects are joined by pair words, either or, neither, nor, not only, but also, like this, so verb will be according to later subject. But in this rule I am telling you that if two different subjects are joined by as well as, together with, along with, besides, no less than, in addition to, and not, except, etc., so verb will be according to first subject. Whether it is singular or plural, verb always will be according to first subject. So through the examples we will come to know this rule, or we will practice this rule. He as well as his friends. You can say here classmates also, his classmates. He as well as his classmates doesn't work properly. He, first subject, second subject, his classmates. There are two different subjects we have, and both the subjects are joined by as well as. In rule I taught you, if two different subjects are joined by as well as, verb will be according to first subject. First subject singular, verb also will be singular. First subject plural, then verb must be in plural form. He singular है, so he as well as his classmates does not work properly. Does, do or does. Do is used with always plural subject, and does is used always with singular subject, and he is singular. That's why I have used here does, right? If I don't use here does not, do not, if I don't write here negative sentence, if I want to say, or if we make it positive, then he as well as his classmates works properly. then we will make this verb singular, works properly. Here I have added s into work. Work is verb. वर्ब में s ऐड करते it becomes singular. Otherwise it is base form, and base form always will be in base form always remains in the plural form. So does not. Clear? Next. I together with my sister. I together with my sister to temple. Go. I together with my sister. First subject I, second subject my sister. Second subject my sister. Two different subjects are joined by together with. Two different subjects are joined by together with. If two different subjects are joined by together with, verb will be according to first subject. First subject I. I is considered plural subject, as a plural subject. So verb will be also will be there in plural form. So go is plural form, right? I together with my sister. My sister is singular, but I have used here plural verb. Plural verb. Why I have used this plural verb here? Due to first subject. First subject is plural, then I have used here plural verb, right? One more example. Dasarath no less than his queens. Dasarath no less than, or you can say the king. The king Dasratha no less than his queens responsible for the exile of Lord Rama. Verb is are. We have two different subjects. The king Dasratha and Dasrath no less than his queens. No less than his queens. Two different subjects we have. And two different subjects are joined by no less than. No less than. In rule I told you that if two different subjects are joined by no less than, verb will be according to first subject. Here queens plural है. यहाँ पर the king Dasratha singular. The king Dasratha no less than his queens is responsible for the exile of Lord Rama. Clear? So I think you have understood this rule and you will practice at home. This is all for today.